Hello, ninth class. How are you? I hope all of you fine. Myself, Premkash Khemka, Math faculty in Kana Kingdom Smart Education Deed. Now, we today we discuss about what is the syllabus of class 9th, content of class 9th. So our first chapter is number system, where we read about introduction, rational numbers, number, how many digits is number, what is the numbers, rational number, irrational number, natural number, integers number, show numbers in number line. Okay, and the second chapter we discuss about polynomials. Polynomials are same chapter you teach, you study in class 8. Chapter polynomial is factorize, addition, subtraction and divide of polynomials. In third chapter polynomial geometry, here we discuss about the graph. What is the x-axis, what is the y-axis, what is the scale, what is the coordinate of points, how we explain the question in graph. Okay, linear equation into graph. Third or fourth chapter are connected to each other. Here we discuss about the coordinate, how to generate coordinate. Here we use our coordinate in the graph paper with two variables x and y. Our chapter is 5, Euclid's geometry. Here Euclid's geometry tell us how we use lines, how we use geometry. A biggest name in the geometry, एक मैथमेटिशियन इट्स कॉल्ड, कौन था एक अच्छा ज्योमेट्री के लिए मैथमेटिशियन जिसे आप कहेंगे कौन थे? यूक्लिड साहब थे. ओके, सिक्स चैप्टर इज लाइंस एंड एंगल्स. हियर वी डिस्कस अबाउट how many lines, draw a lines, draw angle 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, 120, 180 etc. In the chapter 7 triangle, most important chapter, here we discuss about the congruence of triangle and criteria of congruence, property of the triangle or inequality in a triangle etc. In the 8th chapter we discuss about quadrilateral, types of quadrilateral, property of the quadrilateral, okay, and theorems of the quadrilaterals. 9th chapter is area of triangle. What is the area of triangle? Area of triangle is equilateral triangle area, isosceles triangle area, okay, and the parallelogram. What is the area of parallelogram? What is the difference between what is the here in parallelogram, how we find out the parallel lines, equal base etc. In the circle we discuss about chord, and discuss about radius, discuss about diameter, discuss about chord points, chord distance to center etc. In the here this chapter is new. इन द 11th चैप्टर कंस्ट्रक्शन, आपको ट्राइंगल का कंस्ट्रक्शन करनी है, आपको साइड्स गिवन रहेगा, आपको कंपास प्रोटेक्टर्स यूज करते हुए कंस्ट्रक्शन बनानी है. 12th चैप्टर हीरोन्स फॉर्मूला, when you know equilateral triangle formula, isosceles triangle formula, but you don't know how we use scalene triangle formula. Here we use scalene triangle area, find scalene triangle area with the help of Heron's formula. Now third chapter surface area and volume. Here we discuss about cylinder area, cylinder volume, cylinder area, cylinder volume, cube area, cube volume, cuboid area, cuboid volume etc. And 14th chapter statics and 15th statics. Here we discuss about statics related issues. In the 15th chapter probability, we find out the probability. This chapter is new. Okay, 14th chapter is new for you. Okay, now today we discuss about the chapter 7, and chapter 7 is triangle. Now we discuss about the chapter 7, and chapter 7 is triangle. Chapter 7. Triangle. Chapter 7. Triangle. What is the triangles? Triangle is a polygon in a triangle. Triangle have three sides, three angles. Triangle have three sides and three angles and a closed shaped polygon. A closed shaped polygon, it's called triangle. It's called triangle. Triangle have three sides, three angles and three sides, three angles. It's called, and a closed shaped polygon, it's called triangle. Now here we discuss about the triangles type. How many are triangles type? Equilateral triangles. We discuss about how types of the triangle. We discuss about how many types of triangles. So we discuss about quadrilateral, equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle. Okay, equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, etc. And more triangles: equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalar triangle, etc. Okay. Now here we discuss about types of quadrilateral. What is the types of triangle? How many types of the triangle? And triangles types are isosceles. Here in equilateral triangle, shape of equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. What is the property of equilateral triangle? All sides are equal, all angles are equal, and each angle is 60 degree. And each angle is 60 degree. Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Two sides equal, two angles equal. Property of isosceles triangle: two sides equal and two angles equal. And third triangle is scalar triangle. Third triangle is scalar triangle. Scalar triangle. Third triangle is scalar triangle. Now here we discuss about the congruence of triangle. Here we discuss about the congruence of triangle. Congruence of the triangle. Of triangles. Congruence of triangles. Congruence of the triangle, it means congruent triangle. Okay. So what is the congruent triangle? What is the meaning of congruence या congruent? अपन आगे congruence वर्ड को congruent रीड करेंगे, लिखेंगे भी congruent. So what is the meaning of congruence? Suppose that you and me, okay, you are equal, you have hairs, eyes, hands. It means our 3 points are equal, then we both are congruents. Okay. Clear? It's here. What is the congruence point? Firstly, we discuss about congruence. Square. Okay. Square and square. 4 sides equals 4 sides equal. Each angle 90 degree, each angle 90 degree. 4, each angle 90 degree. They both squares are congruent. Now we are discussing congruent in triangle. So how we find out the congruence of triangle ABC? A, B, C. 4, 5 centimeter, 4.5. And second triangle is PQR, 5 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter. Here, congruent rule. Here, what is the congruent rule? Okay, let's see. Here it means angle A is equal to first जो एंगल को शो कर रहा है ये एंगल इस एंगल के इक्वल है, ये एंगल इस एंगल के इक्वल है, 1 2 3 1 2 3 ये एंगल इस एंगल के इक्वल है. Now here A B C and discuss about P Q R. एंगल A, आप चाहे एंगल ए सिर्फ एंगल ए लिख सकते हैं, आप ऐसे लिख सकते हैं एंगल बी ए सी या एंगल ए, दे बोथ आर सेम. ओके, बी ए सी एंड बी ए सी क्यू पी आर इक्वल, आप सिर्फ एंगल पी लिख सकते हैं. ओके, हियर एंगल बी इज angle B is angle R is angle C. Okay, and AB is 4.5. AB is 4.5 and PQ is 4.5. PQ also 4.5. AB is 4.5. BC is 5 centimeter. BC is 5 centimeter. And QR is 5 centimeter. Okay, PQQR is 5 centimeter. And AC is 4 centimeter. AC is 4 centimeter and PR is 4 centimeter. So it means they both triangle are congruent. They both triangle are follow the rule of congruence. Okay, I hope it's clear. Word of the congruence clear. Congruence of the triangles are clear. In the congruence of triangles, we use some conditions and some rules how to use their rules and parts. Okay, now we discuss about the condition to two triangles have two region they are congruent. Okay, look at this. कॉन्ग्रुएंस होने के लिए फर्स्ट कंडीशन क्या होनी चाहिए वो मैं आपको बताता हूं. फर्स्ट रूल इज SAS congruence rule. SAS. Here S means side, A means angle, and S means side. Rule is SAS rule है. If the two sides and included angle, if two sides and included angle of one triangle are equal to two sides and included angle of the other triangle where we use the rule of SAS. The two triangles are both triangles are related. Both triangles are congruent. Both triangles are congruent. Okay. Now, again explain. If two sides of a triangle, दो ट्रायंगल, ये साइड है, this side, this and this. If two sides included angle. Second triangle, two sides and angle. They both are equal where we use the congruence rule of SAS. Where we rule of the SAS, two sides equal and included one angle is equal. So where we use the rule of SAS. I hope it's clear. And second rule is ये SAS रूल था. अब second रूल आपके पास सामने आता है ASA. ASA रूल आपसे क्या कहता है? ASA रूल क्या कहता है? ASA रूल if two angles and one side of one triangle and one side of one triangle are equal to two angles and one side of another triangle, one side of other triangle, then the triangle are congruent by the rule of ASA. What is the rule? ASA. Both triangles are congruent. What is the rule? Look at this. Angle, ये वाला एंगल किस एंगल में इक्वल, ये वाला एंगल किस एंगल में इक्वल, ये वाली साइड इस साइड में इक्वल. It means they both triangles are congruent by the rule of ASA. By the rule of ASA. I hope it's clear. By the rule of ASA. Okay. Now third rule is double AS. Double AS is the same rule, but in the different way. Is two angles and one side of a triangle is equal to the corresponding side of other triangle. एक rule है double AS. सेम रूल है. वहां क्या होगा कि टू एंगल्स इक्वल होने चाहिए और वन साइड होनी चाहिए. जो वन साइड्स होती है कोरस्पॉन्डिंग साइड ऑफ अदर ट्राइंगल, सो वो इक्वल होगी. वहां आपका कौन सा रूल लगेगा? डबल AS. ओके, तीनों रूल थे. इसी तरीके से आपका थर्ड रूल. अब अपन शॉर्ट आउट करेंगे एग्जांपल्स. पेज नंबर 113 एग्जांपल नंबर फर्स्ट. पेज नंबर 113 एंड एग्जांपल नंबर फर्स्ट. Going to example number first. Firstly, we discuss about some property. Angle first is equal to angle 2 because it's vertically opposite angles. Because it's vertically opposite angles. Okay. Two lines are parallel. A transversal line is cut out them. एक transversal line cut कर रही है. It means angle 1 is angle 2. Angle 1 is angle 2 because alternate angle. Alternate angle. Okay. Angle 3 and angle 4 is equal to angle 3 and angle 4 is equal to is alternate angle. Okay. अब now angle 1 plus angle 3 and angle 4 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 because it's linear pair. It's linear pair. अल्टरनेट के लिए छोटी सी चीज ध्यान रखना, जहां जड़ की शेप दिखाई दे, जहां आपको जड़ की शेप दिखाई दे वो एंगल कौन सा होगा आपका अल्टरनेट एंगल. आई होप इट्स क्लियर. I hope it's clear. Here angle 5. Angle 5 is equal to angle 2. Angle 5 is equal to angle 2. Rule is corresponding angle. Corresponding angle. Okay? ये एंगल्स आपको पता होना चाहिए, क्योंकि जब अपन कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूफ करेंगे तो वर्टिकल अपोजिट एंगल, अल्टरनेट एंगल, लीनियर पेयर एंड ये सारी चीजें आप लोगों को पता होनी चाहिए. आई होप इतना आप लोगों को क्लियर है. नाउ वी आर गोइंग एग्जांपल फर्स्ट. एग्जांपल फर्स्ट इज A B C D. It means ये इसके इक्वल है, ये वाला पोर्शन इस पोर्शन के इक्वल है एंड फिगर दे रखा है, ग्राफ इक्वेशन गिवन है OE जो इक्वल टू OE इक्वल टू OB, OB इक्वल टू OC. So show that ये गिवन है, show that first is triangle AOB is congruent. ये वाला जो साइन है वो किसको शो करेगा, इक्वल के ऊपर congruent को, congruent triangle BOC. Triangle BOC and second point AD is parallel to BC. AD is parallel to BC. Okay. Now we discuss about this. Okay. Which rule is here we use. Now first answer 7. First rule. In triangle AOD is equal to and triangle BOC. मैंने आपको क्या सिखाया, टू साइड्स वन एंगल टू साइड्स कुछ भी इक्वल कर दीजिए, आंसर आ जाएगा. इन AOD एंड BOC, AOD OB इक्वल, why is equal, because it's given. रीजन आपको लिखना ही है ब्रैकेट में, because it's given. OD is equal to OC, why is equal, because it's given. Okay. Angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. Why? बेटा लोग मैंने अभी आपको सिखाया था, because it's vertically opposite angle. Because it's vertically opposite angle. Because it's vertically opposite angle. Side angle. So here what is the rule? They both triangle are congruent. What is the rule is SAS, by the rule of SAS congruence rule. Congruence rules. I hope it's clear. Again explain करता हूँ. Two sides equal and third point is angle is 1 point, 2 point, third point. A side angle. So what is the rule is SAS. Two triangles 1 and 2. आपने क्या इक्वल किया? Two sides equal की, one angle equal किया. It means you equal the congruence property by the SAS rule. It means that both triangles are congruent. I hope it's clear. Okay, now we discuss about a new rule, CPCT. What is the CPCT? Second point is independence. Independence. एक रूल की बात करूंगा मैं यहाँ. रूल इज CPCT. What is the rule of CPCT? CPCT, congruent, corresponding part of congruent triangle. CPCT, corresponding part of congruent triangle. शॉर्ट में लिखा है ट्राइंगल. ओके, corresponding part of congruent triangle. What is the CPCT? Corresponding part of congruent triangle. Okay, here what is the meaning of the CPCT? मैंने फर्स्ट आपसे कहा आपकी आइज मेरी आइज, मेरी हेयर आपकी हेयर, आपके हैंड मेरे हैंड इक्वल है. इसमें इट मींस वी आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट. कॉन्ग्रुएंट मींस CPCT. सर अगर आपकी और मेरी बात करूं, CPCT को एक्सप्लेन करना चाहूं, इट मींस आपकी बॉडी मेरी बॉडी कि बाकी जो अदर पार्ट्स हैं जैसे नोज, आईज, हेयर, सॉरी ईयर, माउथ, चिक, दे आल्सो आर इक्वल. इट मींस हियर दे दो ट्रायंगल जब इक्वल हैं तो इनके जो पार्ट्स बचे हुए हैं, दोनों ट्रायंगल के जो पार्ट्स बचे हुए हैं वो दोनों भी आपस में कैसे होंगे? इक्वल. दे बोथ इन congruent triangle other corresponding parts are also equal. Here corresponding parts are also equal. Corresponding parts are also equal. It means corresponding part means इसके जो पेंडिंग पार्ट्स रहे हैं वो भी आपस में कैसे होंगे? इक्वल. इट मींस OAD. OAD is equal to OBC. अगर दोनों ट्रायंगल आपने इक्वल प्रूव कर दिए हैं तो पेंडिंग पार्ट मींस एंगल्स एंड साइड्स are equal by the rule of CPCT. Corresponding part of congruent triangle. It means OAD is equal to OBC. OAD OBC equals है, but they are equal. They make a shape of Z. And where is Z shape made? It means they are equal because alternate. इक्वल तो है बिकॉज ये Z की शेप बना रही है. इट मींस अल्टरनेट एंगल होगा. इक्वल अल्टरनेट एंगल. एंड वेयर वी यूज अल्टरनेट एंगल तब बनता है जब ये वाली लाइन इस लाइन के कैसी हो? पैरेलल हो. इट मींस AB इज द पैरेलल टू द BC. AB इज पैरेलल टू BC. अगेन एक्सप्लेन करूंगा. मैंने CPCT की कोरेस्पोंडिंग पार्ट्स इक्वल होते हैं तो OAD इज इक्वल टू OBC. ओके, सपोज दैट शेप बन गई Z की. ये एंगल इस एंगल के इक्वल. कंडीशन इज अल्टरनेट एंगल. ओके, अल्टरनेट एंगल कहां अप्लाई करते हैं? अल्टरनेट एंगल कहां अप्लाई करते हैं? जब ये जो साइड्स है वो आपस में कैसी होती है? दे बोथ आर टुगेदर, दे बोथ पैरेलल टू ईच अदर. So BC is parallel to AD या AD is parallel to BC. Second point clear. Nice point. Okay, I hope it's clear. AD is parallel to BC. I hope it's clear. AD is parallel to BC. Okay, now we are going through question number second. Sorry, example number second. Example second. AB is a line segment. AB is a line segment. Line L is its perpendicular bisector, and line L is its perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector. If a point P lie on L, if a point P lie on L, okay, so that P is equidistant from A and B. Show that P is equidistant from A and B. Firstly, we draw a diagram. AB is a line segment. AB is a line segment. Line is a perpendicular. एक line है जिसका perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular means 90 degree. Bisector means AO is equal to OB. या C ले लेते हैं. Okay, C. Now, show that P is the equidistance from P and B. इस लाइन पे point एरिया P. इक्विडिस्टेंस प्रूफ करना है. इट मींस अपने को प्रूफ क्या करना है पहले तो PA is equal to PP. ये अपने को प्रूफ करना है. ओके, सो सिंपल क्वेश्चन. ट्रायंगल इन ट्रायंगल PCA and PCB. Okay, AC is equal to BC because line L is the perpendicular bisector of C is the midpoint. C is midpoint. Bisector है तो equal part में divide करेगा. C is midpoint of AB. C is midpoint of AB. Okay. Angle PCA is equal to angle PCB. Why? Because each angle 90 degree. Each angle 90 degree. PC दोनों में क्या है कॉमन. PC common, so both triangles are congruent. Both triangles are congruent. Which rule? किस रूल से? वो दो साइड आ गई और एक एंगल आ गया तो रूल क्या लग गया? SAS रूल. SAS रूल. ओके, अगेन एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूं. P is distance from A and B. It means PA and PB के इक्वल प्रूफ करना है. दोनों ट्रायंगल ये 90 ये 90. मिडपॉइंट PC AC is equal to BC. PC दो बोथ में कॉमन, सो दोनों ट्रायंगल्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट बाय रूल ऑफ SAS rule. अब प्रूफ करना है PA is equal to PP. PA is equal to PP. Why? Because rule of simplicity. Corresponding part of congruent triangle. Hence proof. Okay. More questions sort out in our next video. Have a good day. Okay.